We probably have that one friend, right, or colleague, who's always without battery, right? Every time you call them, their battery is died, right? Right? And I'm sure we all have those instances where we've had a situation because our battery was dead, and maybe it was an emergency, or maybe it was a situation where you had that important call that you didn't afford to miss, and you had such an inconvenience because of your battery power, right? Because these phones are quite smart, but how smart is a phone with a dead battery? Not so smart, right? Well, a booster is here to solve all of that. Booster is here to solve all those problems go away. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Njabulo Makhathini, and I'm here to show you how the booster saves your lives in that regard. What is a booster? This right here is a booster. A booster is a wireless mobile charging device. It's a backup battery. In simple English, it's the most portable and the most sexiest battery that is out there. So simply how it works is that you pre-charge it before you leave the house, and then you put in your phone, and then midday, around about the time where your battery usually dies, which is like 12 o'clock in the day, 10 o'clock if you're using a BlackBerry, but we're not there. So whenever you are without a battery, you click this button, it starts charging your phone. You sort it. So whether you are out in the partying, or you're on site doing some work, or you're on stage at the hookup dinner stage doing a presentation, you sort it. Your phone is charging. So we have a wide variety of them. We have from Samsung, Blackberries, iPhone, whether it's the Mini S3 or the iPhone S5, S6, we sorted with that. We have it currently. We also have this nice, sexy one, which we call the Keyring Booster. This one is excellent for corporate branding. You can add it to your goodie bag, whether it's awards or whether it's your end function or whatever. It's a nice add-on because we also brand it for you with your company logo to just add that nice extra charge to it. Currently, we're operating as an online store, which is mybooster.co.za. We also do a lot of mall activations, but the main distribution method we're using right now is taking it out there to events, because we don't want it to be just a tech gadget, it's a gadget for the people. So we believe in taking it out to the people. So currently our plan is to... Thank you very much.